What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Digital Knowledge again. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete posts or Facebook posts in bulk. So head over to your Facebook application. So I was currently in the middle of something, and let's just head back to my Facebook. So here's my homepage. As you currently see, you have to just head over to the three lines on the top right. Now go to your profile. Now scroll down. And here you will see all of your posts. Tap on Manage Posts. And here just select the post you want. Now once you select on bulk, just tap on the delete or recycle bin icon on the lower middle corner, as you can see. And then you have to tap on delete post, or you can just tap on hide from timeline, and people who are in your timeline won't be able to see it. So just tap on delete post and then you can delete them. So yeah, this is how you can do that. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.